Arjan Industries was established in 1971 as a manufacturer of fasteners, screw machine and turned parts for various industries. We are an ISO-9001 and IATF 16949 approved manufacturer. We are delivering components with enduring quality. Arjan Industries is a modern, dynamic manufacturing company of solar panel mounting accessories and structure. Company situated at the India's one of the fastest developed city Jamnagar, Gujarat, and in United States Reno, Nevada, the biggest little city in the world. All the main functions are at the complete service of the customers to satisfy their every request. Arjan Industries is always believe in the research and development of new products. Consequently, they have invested in design technologies, research and work organization. One of the main thing is differentiate us that we are happy to supply customized and innovative solutions of your exact need and specifications, to fit your every application without causing any significant delays. Arjan Industries are manufacturing of all kind of solar module mounting accessories and structures, supplying material to all over India and out of India. AI provides one-stop solar mounting structure accessories for solar installers, solar distributors. Manufactured range of all solar panel structures are customized as per our respected clients' requirement and geography of their projects. We have the latest software to evaluate an aerodynamically designed structure and layouts for optimal space utilization for maximum watt generation. Solar panel mounting accessories are the backbone of every solar power plant as they provide support to the modules. These support structures raise solar panels at appropriate angles to ensure that they receive maximum solar irradiation. Solar panel mounting accessories are those items that allow you to correctly mount solar panels and collect their energy in a proper way. AI carries complete solar panel mounting accessories for various installation, like thin film end clamp, aluminium middle clamp, aluminium end clamp, HDG cantilever arm 1. End clamp, aluminium strut channel, aluminium micro rail hanger clamp, spring nut, roof clamp, aluminium mini strut channel, aluminium base rail, middle clamp, aluminum solar panel mounting rail, aluminum solar panel frame gee strut channel, stainless steel fasteners etc. We also design new accessories for specific projects. Highly qualified and experienced engineers of our company are always focused to meet their expectations and delivering their clients' satisfaction so that more quality products can be delivered to their clients' destination. Due to our best quality manufactured products, we have established a very powerful foothold in this solar panel mounting industry. Please feel free to contact us at info@arjanind.com and visit our website www.arjanind.com.